Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your business interests with LegalZoom, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the LegalZoom website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including name, email, and password. Once registered, navigate to the business section on the homepage. Explore the various services offered, such as business formation, trademark registration, and compliance assistance. Choose the service that best fits your business needs. For business formation, select your business structure, like LLC or corporation. Provide necessary details, including your business name and state of formation. Review the package options available and select the one that suits your budget and needs. Proceed to fill out the required forms with After submitting the forms, LegalZoom will handle the paperwork and file it with the appropriate state agencies. Once your business formation is complete, you'll receive confirmation and important documents. Next, consider trademark registration to protect your brand identity. Navigate to the Trademark section and click on Register a Trademark. Enter your trademark details, including the name and description of goods or services. Select the appropriate classes for registration based on your business offerings. Review the cost and services associated with trademark registration. Submit the application, and LegalZoom will guide you through the trademark process. Additionally, consider setting up a compliance service to ensure ongoing legal requirements are met. Review your business's compliance needs, such as annual reports and state filings. Choose a compliance package that provides you with reminders and assistance throughout the year. Follow up with LegalZoom's customer support if you have any questions during the process. Regularly check the status of your applications through the LegalZoom dashboard. Utilize additional resources, such as blogs and webinars, offered for business owners. Stay informed about legal updates that may affect your business. This comprehensive guide ensures that you are taking the necessary steps to protect your business interests. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.